In the heart of Turkey lies a breathtaking landscape shaped by time and nature, Cappadocia. This extraordinary region is not only one of Turkey's most iconic destinations, but also one of the most fascinating natural and historical wonders in the world. Cappadocia is located in central Anatolia, Turkey, covering parts of Nevşehir, Aksaray, Niğde, Kayseri and Kırşehir provinces. Millions of years ago, volcanic eruptions from Mount Erciyes, Mount Hasan and Mount Gulu covered the land with thick layers of ash and lava. Over time, wind and water sculpted this soft volcanic rock into the unique fairy chimneys, valleys and rock formations we see today. For thousands of years, Cappadocia has been home to many civilizations, including the Hittites, Persians, Romans, Byzantines, Seljuks and Ottomans. During the Roman period, early Christians sought refuge in Cappadocia, carving churches and underground cities into the soft rock to escape persecution. Among the most famous underground cities are Derinkuyu and Kaymakli, which could shelter thousands of people. These hidden cities were equipped with secret tunnels, ventilation shafts and water wells, making them perfect for protection during enemy invasions. Walking through these ancient tunnels is like stepping back in time. One of the most breathtaking places in Cappadocia is Göreme, a town that is home to stunning rock formations and UNESCO World Heritage-listed cave churches. Other must-see spots include Ihlara Valley, Ürgüp, Zelva and the breathtaking Ihlara Valley. But perhaps the most iconic experience in Cappadocia is the sight of colourful hot air balloons rising into the sky. Every morning at sunrise, hundreds of hot air balloons take off, offering a once-in-a-lifetime view of the fairy chimneys and valleys from above. Cappadocia isn't just about landscapes and history, it's also an adventure paradise. Here are some incredible experiences you can have. Take a hot air balloon ride for a magical sunrise view, explore the fairy chimneys on horseback, hike through the stunning valleys and rock formations, visit the underground cities and cave churches, and stay in a traditional cave hotel for a truly unique experience. And of course, don't miss Cappadocia's delicious cuisine. One of the region's signature dishes is Testi Kebab, a slow-cooked meat dish prepared in a sealed clay pot, which is dramatically cracked open before serving. The region is also famous for its local wines and pumpkin seed-based desserts, making it a great place for food lovers. Cappadocia is a natural and cultural treasure that must be protected. As tourism grows, sustainable travel is essential to ensure that this magnificent landscape and its ancient heritage remain intact for future generations. Visitors are encouraged to respect nature, historical sites and local traditions while exploring this magical region. Cappadocia is not just a travel destination, it's a place where nature and history come together in perfect harmony. Those who visit are often enchanted by its beauty and eager to return. Pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Cappadocia.